What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. We've got a couple of big stories today. A first look at the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we know a lot about these phones, from the cameras, the displays, the S Pen, all of that. So let's get into it. Let's first talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21. So here's our first look at the Galaxy S21. Now you can see it right here. It is a different design in the back. First, let's talk about the front though. You do get the camera hole punch at the top in the middle. The display size will be 6.2 inches. Something to know, you can see the bezels are actually bigger on the S21 version versus the S20. So the size of the bezels has increased. It's gone from 2 millimeters on the S20 to 3 millimeters on the S21. So you're gonna have a bigger bezel all the way around on this phone. On the back, you see the camera module is almost wrapping around the side of the phone, and there's no little, like, it's connected to the side. There's not like it doesn't seem like its own separate piece. It seems like, again, it wraps around on there. I don't hate the design. I've seen a lot of mixed messages. Some people like it, some people hate it. You can see that the flash is detached from the camera module itself. It's to the right of it. Again, the three cameras on there should be a telephoto, a ultra wide angle, and a main camera. The back of it should be made of plastic. You should get a 120 hertz full HD plus display. Price is rumored to be $899. 12 megapixel cameras, 3880 milliamp battery as well. Next up, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is gonna be what it looks like, and you can see from just the look at this, it has that wraparound camera, but except this one is way bigger. And on here, you will get 4 cameras on the back. The front looks basically the same as it has in the past. The rumored display size for this is somewhere between 6.7 and 7 inches, somewhere in there. Most likely it'll probably end up being the same as the S21 Ultra, which is about 6.9 inches. Now, we talked about the cameras on the back of the S21 Ultra. There doesn't seem to be a time of flight sensor on the back, which helps with like the bokeh effect. You don't need it, but it does help with it. You will get a main camera lens, an ultra wide lens, a telephoto, and a periscope. In terms of megapixels on the back, you're looking at 108 megapixels, 10, 10, and 16 megapixels. The camera bump on the back of the S21 Ultra is supposed to be about 2 times bigger than the regular S21. So you're gonna get another big camera bump, probably about the same size as the S20 Ultra's camera bump. S Pen support. Now, there isn't a slot for an S Pen on the S21 Ultra, but that doesn't mean it won't support the S21 Ultra in terms of maybe you have to get a case of some sort in order to carry it around very easily, but S Pen support has not been ruled out. There just isn't a place on the phone that it will sit like it does on the Note 20 Ultra. The other thing I wanted to mention is that the bezels on the S21 Ultra are very small, as you can see. So we should get very, good looking design on the front of this phone in terms of bezel size. So just looking at the S21 and the S21 Ultra in terms of design, the only really big difference design is on the back, the camera module. You get something like, for instance, this phone, where you have, this kind of camera module. This one on the S21 and S20 Ultra, it's gonna start all the way over to the edge of that. Again, I don't hate it. I don't think it looks that bad. It looks really big on the S21 Ultra, just like it did on the S20 Ultra. But again, it's not that bad of a thing. I am curious, and we'll find out this very soon. Is S Pen, going to be part of the deal with the S21 Ultra? Will it be inside the box? Will you have to buy it separately? Will it come with a case that houses it? We're going to find out this stuff very soon, because remember, the release date for the S21 series of phones is January 2021, which is only November, December, 2 to 3 months away at this point that you'd be able to buy that phone. And then another thing just to remember is we don't have any full specs on these phones. in terms of the S21 Ultra especially, but the rumors are coming out that it might not be a flagship phone. We'll wait and see. Maybe only the Ultra will, and the other ones definitely won't be, in terms of the S21 Plus and the S21 regular version. But right now, it's not due to be a total flagship series of phones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Question out to you guys is, what do you think of the design of the S21 and S21 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road.